Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to recover your Uber account and reset your password if you've forgotten it. First, open the Uber app on your phone. On the start screen, tap Get Started. Next, tap Continue with Email. Enter your email address, then hit Next. Uber will send you a 4-digit code to your email. Open your inbox, copy that code, then enter it into the app and tap Next. Now, you'll be asked for your password. If you've forgotten it, just tap I forgot my password. Uber will send another 4-digit code to your email. If you want to reset your password completely, open your browser and search for Uber Reset Password. Click the option for riders, then select I forgot my password. On the reset page, enter your email address and request a link. Uber will send you a reset email. Open it, tap the link, and choose a new password for your account. And that's it. Your Uber account is now recovered. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials.